It truly is remarkable. Finally, a safe and effective advancement in the treatment of acne. Using LaserScope's revolutionary green light laser, this proven technology is delivered through the skin surface, triggering the body's natural bacteria-fighting defenses. These defenses kill the problem-causing bacteria, significantly reducing the severity of current and future breakouts. Your practitioner will guide the laser handpiece over the treatment area in a brushing motion as the laser light is pulsed through the skin. While experiences may vary, many patients say that the laser pulse feels like the snap of a rubber band against the skin. Afterwards, your face may appear slightly flushed and swollen. As the skin surface is not actually damaged by the laser, you may apply sunscreen or makeup immediately after the treatment. Talk with your physician about your specific treatment needs. Now you can soon discover the advantages of a no downtime, effective, safe, and fast treatment solution for acne with the latest and exciting new technology from LaserScope.